it's Chef Yoda here. I am coming to introduce my mom's Monday meal cooking video. So today is going to be Catalina crock pot pork chops. We got some pork chops from a lovely farm here that processes them locally, and it's Aaron's Family Farms. So if you're looking for pork chops, it's a great place to get them. And my mom is going to show you how to make the recipe. Instead of Catalina dressing, she made her own French dressing, and she'll show you how to do that. But it's really simple, and she used a Pamper Chef dressing maker thing to do it, is what she told me. Also, do you like my haircut? I got my haircut today. I've been groomed. I look good, and I'm all clean. I smell good, too. Anyway, that's the meal today, Catalina crock pot pork chops, and we're excited to share it with you. Now, watch my mom, and she'll show you how to make it, and then hopefully she'll drop me something so I can try it, too. Talk to you next week. Bye! Yoda the dog, out.
Thanks for the intro, Yoda. Here is the Monday meal. So like he said, it's Catalina crock pot pork chops today, and I've got some amazing pork chops from the Aaron Family Livestock Farms. They're bone-in, huge pork chops. There's 4 of them there. So I had to, you need Catalina dressing. I didn't have any, but I have this really cool Pampered Chef dressing maker thing. And it has different recipes, but one of them is French dressing. There. So I used the ingredients in here. It says white wine vinegar. I used apple cider vinegar, and then Worcestershire. I used my coconut aminos. Then sugar. I used some coconut nectar. Then garlic cloves. I used those. And then ketchup I used. And then vegetable oil. I did olive oil. So I mixed that up, made 8 ounces of it, and put it in here. And there's 1 onion chopped. Some of it sliced in there. And then a clove of garlic, or 2 cloves of garlic. So I used the minced garlic for that. So this is the ingredients right here that I used for the French dressing, which is the same as Catalina. Mix that up, put it in here. So then what you do is you put it on low for 5 to 7 hours roughly. I thawed out the pork chops ahead of time, but if you put them in here frozen, do 6 to 8 hours on low. So we're going to put the pork chops in, nestle them down in the sauce, turn them over so that the other side gets sauce, and layer them that way. So I'll show you that way. Okay, we've got it on low. We're going to have it on there for 5 to 7 hours. I'm going to put the lid on, but this is what they look like after you dredge them in the sauce you just created. Flip them over, dredge them again, push them down in there. That's 4 bone-in pork chops. And then I'll show you the finished product when it's done. All right, everybody. It's been the 7 hours. I think it really probably only took the 5 hours on low, but I wasn't here to stop it. So I turned it down to warm. But these are our Catalina crock pot pork chops. They smell great. They fell off the bone, as you can see right here. So they're ready to eat. And I'm going to serve them with, oh, you can't see it. I took it off here. Mac and cheese. And this is garlic quinoa in the Instapot. So... and I'm going to put some kale with that. So that is what we're having with ours. Let me know in the comments below what you're having with yours. Make sure you like and subscribe. Yoda's going to be doing the intros to my videos now, so you should enjoy that. See you next Monday. Bye.